Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shankar, and today we are discussing about most important topic, the current affairs of 2020 and 21. This is the part 1 video, so let's begin. Question number 1. Who has been crowned Miss Universe for year 2020? Option A, Andrea Mesa. Option B, Julia Gama. Option C, Janik Makta. Option D, Adeline Castellino. The right answer, option A, Andrea Mesa. Andrea Mesa is from Mexico. Okay. Question number 2. Who has developed the new anti-COVID drug 2DG, 2-deoxy-D-glucose? Option A, ICMR. Option B, DRDO. Option C, ISRO. Option D, Bharat Biotech. The right answer, option B, DRDO. We also seen in news that is DRDO developed an anti-COVID drug that is in oral powder form. So this keep in mind. And question number 3. NASA's OSIRIS-REx, a spacecraft, has begun its 2-year journey back to Earth after collecting samples from which asteroid? Option A, Juno. Option B, Ceres. Option C, Bennu. Option D, Vesta. The right answer, option C, Bennu. And question number 4. The space agency of which country has recently released the images of the lost galaxy of the Virgo cluster? Option A, USA. Option B, India. Option C, Japan. Option D, China. The right answer, option A, USA. And also check some additional informations. That is, what is a cluster? That is, a cluster comprises hundreds or thousands of galaxies. That is, it's a group of galaxies. That our galaxy, that is Milky Way, is comprised in Virgo cluster. This is an important for all competitive exams. And let's go to the next question. Question number 5. Which union ministry organizes the Bharat Parv event every year on the occasion of Republic Day? Option A, Home Affairs. Option B, Tourism. Option C, Defense. Option D, Women and Child Development. Right answer, option B, Tourism. And also keep this information in mind, that is Bharat Parv event took place on Republic Day, and this event started from the year 2016. Okay. Question number 6. Cornwall, the host of 2021 G7 summit, is located in which country? Option A, Brazil. Option B, UK. Option C, Italy. Option D, Switzerland. The right answer, option B, UK. Question number 7. Which state amended Lokayukta bill to make retired High Court judges also eligible for the post of Lokayukta? Option A, Andhra Pradesh. Option B, West Bengal. Option C, Odisha. Option D, Goa. The right answer, option D, Goa. This Lokayukta Act was first introduced by the Indian state Maharashtra. Through the Act Lokayukta and Upalokayukta Act in the year of 1971. Okay. And question number 8. What is Abell 370, whose picture was recently shared by NASA? Option A, Galaxy Cluster. Option B, Meteor. Option C, black hole. Option D, exoplanet. The right answer, option A galaxy cluster. And question number 9. Which risk has been ranked at the first place as top risk by impact by the World Economic Forum's Global Risk Report of 2021? Here is also some important informations in the question also, that is top risk impact and World Economic Forum's important report is Global Risk Report. It's published by World Economic Forum. And come to the question, that is option A, infectious diseases. Option B, extreme weather. Option C, weapons of mass destruction. Option D, climate action failure. Right answer, option A, infectious diseases. We also aware of that is in this COVID-19 situation. Okay, let's go to the last question. Question number 10. Who is the author of the book The Making of Aadhaar, World's Largest Identity Platform? Option A, Ram Sevak Sharma. Option B, Nandan Nilekani. Option C, A.K. Sikri. Option D, Chris Gopalakrishnan. The right answer, option A, Ram Sevak Sharma. Ram Sevak Sharma is an Indian bureaucrat. He is the first Director General of UIDAI, that is Unique Identification Authority of India. This made possible Aadhaar, that is the world's largest biometric database project. Okay, is it clear to you? And this is the last question, and if you like this video, please subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you.